Okay, hello guys. Okay, as you can see, USD keep weak, and once USD weak, gold keep fly for the direction. Okay. Oh, babi lagu ni. Mati. Okay. Now we need to check. Okay, for now we have the zone right now. Actually, right now. Okay. But this is also risky. Because from here until here also 50 pips. Okay, also 50 pips. Oh, scary. Okay, the next zone maybe last RBS SBR zone. But the next one, the last one. This is the last one. Okay, I just marking for sell zone. But for buy zone, okay, if you want buy zone, okay, if you want still follow the trend, if you want buy gold for safe zone, maybe this is the zone. Because why? Because this is first structure resistance. This is R. First R breakout. And this is second R breakout. Okay, R1, R2. So potential gold can fall down until this level. Or this level will be SRR setup. Okay, that's why I want find sell because why? Okay, I want share the reason first. Okay, first, as you can see at H1, okay, trend line breakout. So my first setup, I want find sell. Okay, H1 breakout, right? So we check H4. H4 also breakout from here until here, also breakout. So at this zone or this test trend line also have resistance. That's why I want find sell because my expectation will be like this. But gold ni babi. Okay, relax. So at H4 at current market price have resistance right now. Okay, gold can falling actually, but I know today have 2 SL, and I cannot brain for this movement because all strong movement bullish. So this is very risky if you want still taking risk to trade. Okay, so for safety, if you want buy, maybe you can buy here. You can buy this zone or SRR at the lowest one. This is just for SBR. If pullback, you can buy here. So this is just buy zone 1. This is just buy zone 2. Okay, so I don't want buy high. Yes, I know can buy high right now. I know can buy high, but I don't want teach you to buy high. Okay, because I want you guys know at the highest price we need to find resistance and find sell, not buy high. Okay, unless have sentiment, which is they told us that USD keep weak, so we can try find buy. Okay, but if you want buy, it's still risky because have resistance, and all resistance. So for me, I'm still focused on find retracement. Okay, for now on M5, we need to wait for the structure breakout, all support breakout, and then once pull back we can find sell. Okay, this is just waiting game. We need to waiting game. Okay, for now it's very risky to trade. It's very risky because all momentum. Okay, if you watching UK also whoosh, UK already fly. Whoosh. Oh, potential gold will falling. GBP USD. GBP USD also at resistance. H1. Oh man. Setup sell. But for me, I want focus on gold because I want keep find sell. But it's very risky because the zone also big. From here until here also 55 pip or 60 pips. If reach here 80 pip. Oh, crazy. Oh, just waiting game. Okay, we need to waiting until news coming and then we can find entry. Okay, because if we find sell right now, Yes, I know I can sell, but I don't know you. Maybe you have small capital. If pullback is very, oh, if floating is your account, maybe can margin call or wipe out. Okay, so just be careful and be ready, because today is just first day on April. Market make April Fool, okay, for today. Oh man.